how to reboot or restart your Apple Watch. Now, the simplest way to do this is to turn it off and then turn it on again. So to turn it off, we press and hold the side button on the right hand side until we see this menu appear. Then we press the power icon at the top, and then we simply slide to power off. And then the Apple Watch will shut down, and in a moment when it's shut down, I'll show you how to turn it on again. Now once it's shut down, we simply press and hold the side button again on the Apple Watch, and we press and hold it until we see the Apple logo appear. Now most of the time we can just press and hold it for a few seconds and wait for the Apple logo to appear. So we'll try that first. So we'll press and hold it. So I'm pressing it now, press and hold it for a few seconds, and the Apple logo should appear. And this basically restarts the Apple Watch, which effectively is a reboot or a restart. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video.